Hi there, my name is Rachel. Thank you so much for expressing interest in TaxStack AI. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to sign up, how to pay for TaxStack AI, and how to log in and get started. So, you can see on our main page right here, you have the option for a 14-day trial, or alternatively, you can sign up directly for our annual plan or our monthly plan. Let's click Get Started in the upper right-hand corner. So on here, you can subscribe to our plan with your email address and payment information. From here, you can enter in any promotional codes that you may have, and it'll send you right into a login page. I've already done this part, so we're going to log directly into my tool. Once we log in here, it's going to take us to our Stripe authentication page. You'll click Return to TaxStack AI, and it'll take you to your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to see this dashboard where you can access our tax assistant and our client management and document analysis tool. For our tax assistant, you can either use the general tax assistant or you can search within a client for the context. Let's say I want to use the general tax assistant. I'll start a new chat here and I can type in a question like, explain the Augusta rule to me. From here, you can send off the question directly or you can use our improved prompt tool to get a better question for AI. We can use this prompt right here and send it off and the AI will start processing it. All of our documents are sourced from primary sources like the Internal Revenue Code, different court filings, etc. And the way that we're able to show that is that we actually offer our authoritative sources at the bottom, so you can click into these to figure out where we actually got our information from. If you want to search within a client for context, you'll click this button up here, or you'll filter for it down there. Let's say I want to ask a question about my example client right here. I'll click into it and click chat, and from here on out, it'll only remember things about that specific client. So if I ask a question about my client owning a rental property in California, it'll remember that information and you don't need to continue to ask the AI that in the future. Next, let's take a look at our prompt library. On here, you can browse by category, popular prompts, or by beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Once you find a question that you're interested in asking, you just click on the question and it'll send it back to our chatbot so you can ask it. Another really unique aspect about TaxStack AI is our client management tool. So if you click on this clients button right here, you're able to access your client database where you can see all of your active clients in one place. Let's say I want to add a new client. You click the Add Client button right here and you can type in the information manually for the individual or the business. Alternatively, you can upload a document where it'll scan for all of those necessary fields. On your client database homepage, you can click into each individual client to get a little bit more information about them. Here, you'll see our AI client summary that summarizes everything that we have from the documents to the chat history with that client. On the Documents tab, you can upload documents like returns or any other information like bank statements, and it'll process that data for you. Here, we've uploaded a 1040 where you can see the critical issues and recommendations as well as a task completion. Additionally, you're able to look back at activity so you can see what documents have been uploaded and what conversations have been started. You're also able to update client information by clicking the Edit button right here. Finally, I want to walk you through how to edit your account settings and billing. Up in the right-hand corner, you can click on this button where you can change your account settings, billing, or get support through our legal documents or customer support forms. If you need additional assistance, we have the Customer Support AI Assistant in the bottom right corner. If it's unable to help with your questions, you can get connected to support and we will reply within 24 hours. Thank you so much for your interest in TaxStack AI. We're looking forward to working with you in the future.